In today's video, we are going to make the Blue Hawaii drink. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we are going to grab these ingredients: rum, blue curacao, pineapple juice, simple syrup, maraschino cherries, and lemon. 6 items. Okay, it's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a shaker, a Poco Grande glass, a jigger, a knife, and a cocktail pick. First step, what we're gonna do is cut this lemon. But before we do that, we are going to roll it. Now, cut the lemon in half. We will be squeezing half a lemon into the shaker. Your simple syrup. What we're going to do is we're going to pour half an ounce into the shaker. Grab your bottle of blue curacao and open it. We will be pouring half an ounce of blue curacao into the shaker. It's pineapple juice time. Shake the can. Open it. We will be pouring 3 ounces of pineapple juice into the shaker. The last ingredient that we're going to put into the shaker is the white rum. We will be pouring 1.5 ounce of white rum into the shaker. Let's add ice into the shaker. Close the lid. It's shake time. Grab your glass and fill ice. Actually, I need more ice, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Here we go. Add more ice here. Pour the drink into the glass. Last step is to make a garnish. I don't have a pineapple garnish, but I do have these maraschino cherries here. And what I'm going to do is just grab a few. And the last step, garnish. And there you go, my friends, a Blue Hawaii. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.